guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, as you already saw by the title, we're going to be doing handcuffs for 24 hours with my cousin. Go to her, subscribe to her channel.
Guys, I'm going to leave her channel in the link description.
Addie Routines.
No, now it's Nana and Tay.
Oh, it's
nah,
what?
it's N-Y-N-Y-N, and then a little N thing, and then Tay.
Okay, so y'all heard her. We're gonna be handcuffing them for 24 hours.
Whoever, and we win $1,000 if we win.
There's no chance. You just got to stay handcuffed for the day. Okay, guys.
Wait, this is confusing.
Oh yeah, it is.
Unlock me,
guys. Here go the keys right here. And before we get started, remember to subscribe, like, and comment.
Subscribe and hit that little.
And hit that post.
And hit that little bell.
The key stuck.
Mila!
Oh, it's not. Okay, guys. Okay, is it in? Okay.
Wait, what? Oh, so.
Yeah. Put your thing.
Scared.
Okay, guys, we're doing it right now.
We're gonna start in 5, 4, 3. Keep making us tight. 2, 1.
Okay, guys, we started. Okay, now I'm about to go downstairs and watch TV, so you got to come with me.
I'm watching my video.
Okay,
But I
guys.
need my charger.
Oh my god.
Sure do. Wait. I need something.
Come on, my movie is still playing.
What movie?
Feel the beat.
Girl, that.
And plus, I'm watching Charmed after, so be quiet.
Wait! My blanket. Charm? I hate Charm. And I'm gonna have nothing to do.
Okay, guys, I see y'all when I finished watching a little bit of TV, but I am still gonna have these on because I want to be cheating. And before y'all ask, I got this on my head. My head got deep conditioner in it. Yeah. Okay, so I see y'all when I finish. Well, this one's gonna take a long time, so I see y'all when I finish watching this. Okay, guys. She eating. I am eating too, but I have cake. And we're still handcuffed. And she's over there on her phone. She watching Brent Rivera and Lexi Rivera.
So, you guys, we're back. I'm eating right now. She's eating too, but she's eating cake. I like my cake.
We make that cake, and we make what is it called? Cupcakes. This cake is so good.
Oh, sorry. I'm just moving these. They got so glad. I feel sorry. Guys, I still got my McDonald's too. We got some steak with some corn and some mashed.
That's not steak.
Yes, it is.
No, that's hamburger patty. Turkey. That's not turkey, but it's beef burger.
Okay,
and you guys, we have and you guys, we have jelly fruit.
Sure.
Our aunt got them for us. She should have brought me a bag.
We still have a lot. And, we still have a lot, but Lonnie, she probably don't got none left. They was eating all of her on FaceTime. This is so good. I'm not saying that it is
I'm thirsty.
Wait, let me show my camera that. Yeah, I'm thirsty. Oh, I already got my drink. Yeah, the juice, y'all. This is the easier way. You guys, if you guys, this is, nah. That's so glad. I feel sad. In the room is messy. In the room is very okay. This is a room. And you guys, if I didn't say that already, smash that right now.
Come over here, Jay.
Oh yeah, microwave, guys. You got my
champion, thank you. Whew.
My phone might go dead. Let's go get the charger. Come on.
Oh, gee. Hi, I'm Kim Kardashian West, and I'm crying. She getting her charger. And we are still handcuffed. This room is a mess. It needs to get cleaned up. My hair need to come out.
Now I gotta plug that in all the way. Gotta plug it in all the way.
Hi, I'm Kim Kardashian West, and I'm crying because my name is. I hate my sister. Never see that. Cause don't be rude. Let me see if it's gonna charge. Hi, I'm Kim Kardashian West, and I'm crying. Dumb earrings. I hate my sister. Never want to see their ugly faces again. Don't be rude.
So guys, plug my camera. It's hurting. And I'm crying. I got so glad. I feel sad. I don't want to see that face again. Don't be too rude.
Comment down below if y'all heard that.
And guys, comment down below if you guys have TikTok. Go follow her TikTok in the link description. And go follow my Duck Messenger in the link description.
I'm about to get another piece of cake.
You know you just want to make me move.
No, you didn't even have to get up.
I really did.
No.
Don't eat all the cake. Because you know.
Oh my guys, I'm getting another piece of cake. Don't be around. Don't cut rude.
While you eating.
We got to.
Yeah, weird.
Because we don't handcuff challenge.
Why you didn't close the damn cake back, Mila?
I did.
No, you didn't.
Oh.
Say I gotta keep my shorty young. Go mode, high fashion, let go young, G-Wagon, audible by.
I hope you know you're going on YouTube.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Don't put me on no damn YouTube.
Well, that's what we're recording now.
Well, tell that the world, hey, baby. I know we don't know your name yet. And don't start guessing names and stuff.
You already got them there?
For real. Taylor. No, I mean Taylor Jr.
No, what is you thinking?
That's not gonna happen.
Yeah, Taylor Jr. No.
Get that out of your head once you can.
Taylene.
My aunt is pregnant, by the way.
Taylene and Taylor.
Or Taylor or Taylor.
Taylor or Taylor?
Mm-hmm.
My name can't be Taylor.
I'm talking about the baby.
Taylor or Taylor?
Now I gotta wait for her to finish her food.
No, I'm a zombie, bro. Come on. I really see those ugly faces of them. I can digest you. And I'm crying because my nephew rings. I hate my sisters. Never want to see their ugly face again. So why are you so... Wait, hold up. I am Kim Kardashian West. And I'm crying because I got kids. I hate my sisters. I hate my sisters. Never want to see their ugly face again. Don't be rude. Not my food bag either. Say hello. Say hello. Time.
Mela!
You guys. Oh my god, I was having a seizure and my cousin didn't even.
No, you was not. White stuff would have came out your mouth. So guys, the handcuffs just got really tight. So I'm trying to untighten them, guys. So yeah.
Okay, guys, let me go this way.
Right now.
This hurt now. Okay.
Down. Oh, we gotta go in here, boo-boo.
Oh my god.
You are so lazy. So lazy. Come here. I can't reach it like that. You get on my last nerve, Sinclair. Oh, nothing.
Okay, guys, we're about to watch some more TV.
I need love my.
I'm gonna get copyrighted because you.
Keep the accent out. I mean, not accent out, but there is a such thing of editing your video.
I don't care. Just so you can look it up. Guys, I'm about to watch some. My favorite character is Macy. Okay, guys, it stopped for some reason, but yeah. I gotta go outside real quick. If I can, fastest way, dreamer,
You always get mad when I'm trying to go somewhere, but you'll never get mad when you're self trying to go somewhere. Let me put my shoes on.
We're not really going outside. I'm just going to the door.
Okay, still.
Oh my gosh, your daddy good.
Oh my God! Oh, you get mad when I have to do something. What you?
Close that door. Close my door. Now. Move.
Mila.
Move. I don't fuck with the police. Don't open my door. I said don't open my door.
Okay. Okay, now I'm about to watch one.
Is they getting y'all?
Huh?
Is they getting? Stop.
Okay, guys, I'll see y'all in the week. Okay, guys, I'm sorry for that little stop, but somebody was getting arrested, and I didn't want that to be all over camera. And I see you with like the police and stuff leave. I'm just gonna show y'all a little glimpse. So let me walk over there.
You know you're just gonna be nosy.
Guys, oh crap.
That's what I thought.
Do you see them over there? You see his police car right there? I'm scared, but
Me too.
if they can see me, I think the police is staring directly at me. But it's cool. But I'll see you when the police leave, because I want his business all over.
You think he was staring directly at you?
Yeah. Okay, guys, I see you. Yeah. Okay, guys. We are about. I'm about to wash.
She about to wash
My this. You already say that.
Okay.
But because I'm about to wash this. Oh, hold up, come back. I'm about to wash this conditioner out my hair. And yeah, I had to pause my show because I was watching Drum. And then police is finally left. Hey, we hold up. She got her mama room right
For
quick.
what?
To look at myself in the mirror.
For y'all.
Okay. Oh, crap.
Again? Ooh, wait. Got my night clothes on. Why your face so ugly?
Oh, my baby just sure did that a lot.
You playing with deep conditioner in your hair?
Yep.
Why your face so... Come on.
Hurry up.
You gotta go. My favorite part to take the shower is that I want to see how it
I'm not
feels.
taking a shower.
What are you doing?
Put my head under the water. Okay. You guys, this is what my hair look like with that deep conditioner in it.
Looks like it's turning white. Y'all look at my muscles.
Girl, please.
I got man muscles.
Carry my phone.
I can't.
Carry it in that hand.
Of course, the hand I'm handcuffed with. Why your face so ugly?
Okay. Put it. Put mine's right here.
Okay. You guys are gonna see me. I'm gonna hold my camera. Oh, you're doing it in the sink?
Yeah. Okay, you guys. Let me turn the water on. First, let me wash my hands. Pull my sleeves up.
I gotta pee.
Okay.
Why your face so
Okay.
Wait, let me. Wait, I gotta pee first. I can't.
I gotta pee too, so really good.
Girl, what you doing?
Yeah, it's not gonna work. Guys, I'll see you when we finish using the bathroom. Okay, guys, my arm is about to get wet, so yeah. I'm gonna set the camera up right here.
Y'all, my mama about to get me my hair out, so I'm gonna put this in my mouth. So yeah. When you need the.
Okay. Comment down below what y'all think my gray hair is gonna look like.
You guys, what like she said. Step in the kitchen. How you blue? Blue. Let's go, hot. Brother, let me give me
Y'all got there's so much stuff sitting around in here in my house. Some of this stuff got to go. Come on, Mila. Don't take it out now.
So, we're doing a little something. Stuff in the kitchen. The time is not over, but we just. See, guys,
I have to take these out because my aunt said that she's not doing it with our handcuffs on.
yeah, she said she had it over here.
Where's the green towel at?
Starbucks from last night, check.
Damn, I'm hoping wrong with that girl.
You guys dare me to put my Starbucks in the McDonald's drink, and I did it. I mean, McDonald's stuff. I went to McDonald's and ordered a drink. And my Starbucks is in here. Can you say, guys?
Is it too hot?
No. Okay, so my time left computer. Not computer, but getting her hair washed. Dyeing hair gray, check.
You gotta bring up some more. Wait, Taylor, did you
Huh?
did you bring that big comb down here?
Yeah.
I hope you got your eyes closed. I wish I had one of them spray things in here.
Yeah, she'll see you guys when she's done. You know, getting her hair washed.
Okay, guys, I don't know who told Taylor to touch my phone, but yeah, ain't nobody told her to get on Roblox or do anything. But anyways, you guys, I just got my hair braided. I was just complaining about the whole dyeing thing. That was just deep conditioning, and yeah, we got our handcuffs back on, and I'm about to go upstairs. That means Taylor, you got to come with me
Where?
upstairs.
Why?
Because
Cause what?
please.
Huh?
Nothing. I'm going upstairs. like I gotta go. Other charger.
I'm gonna get in there with the other charger.
That's my charger. You need a
I
charger.
know.
Don't you got a whole life charger right there?
Otherwise,
I said a whole life.
someone can go.
Oh yeah. I don't know why you need my phone to play Roblox. You got a whole lot of space on your phone now. So go ahead and update Roblox.
Wait, guys, I'll be back.
So guys, I'm about to watch Netflix on my phone a little bit, and I'll see you.
Where's Roblox at?
I'll see you when I finish watching that.
I'll put it in black.
Okay, right now, guys, we got finished playing Roblox. We are doing these TikTok challenges. So yeah, I think that's Andrew.
I got 5 right.
Yeah, got it.
Wait, pause it.
4 points for me.
Lauren.
Well, I got 6 points, guys, and she got 5.
You do not have no 6.
Yeah, both of us got 6 of this Lauren. Yep, both of us got 6, guys.
So guys, we're just done playing Roblox. So, and now right now we're doing some TikTok challenges on my TV.
I don't know.
I think it's Zoe, you guys. I have 6.
Kavor.
It's a boy.
Okay, can you stop talking?
I really don't have to. Let me do something. You guys are still handcuffs.
Oh yeah, we're still handcuffs.
I need a.
Kavor. I don't know if I'm pronouncing her name now right. Oh, nope, I was wrong.
Who is it?
Daisy. Larry.
I'm not even looking. Yeah, that is Larry.
Call me Gabe, but your dad texts me Gabe.
Every time she says Larry, she has to say home.
7 points for me.
Every time she says Larry,
Come on.
Wait. She always has to say, call me Game, but your dad takes me. Dixie.
Guys,
That's a boy, Tony.
You guys, I'll see y'all when I finish doing these little challenges with her. So yeah. Okay guys, we're about to go downstairs to like get a snack or something. We still got handcuffs. You know what? Oh, I'm about to get me a snack. Come over here. Come over here.
You had it before? Kinda. You got kinda? Yeah. Okay, guys. I got some chips and a Capri Sun. Hold up.
I was thirsty.
They can't see it. It's dark.
They can't see it.
Okay. We still got our handcuffs on. And then we just close the door. And ooh, it's cold. And I'm about to cover up. Oh yeah, we're about to do a TikTok, guys. Well, she about to do a TikTok. Let me set my phone up over here. You don't want to be a jellyfish? Oh my god.
Why would I do that? So it's already hard to do that. So
Is you gonna cover your face or no?
no.
Okay.
Yeah, it's on my face.
Good.
Wow. How's that good?
Because that was too much. Okay.
You got lazy. Okay, deliver down.
I'll see you when.
I thought you were going to say when she does
I'll see you when I finish watching some episodes of this, and yeah.
I'm bored.
So we accidentally broke the handcuff because we was fighting with the handcuffs on.
Where's the keys?
They broke downstairs. Let me see if I can fix them though.
Then leave. Peace out.
Oh God. Let me pause my shoe.
Her ugly self.
Let's see if I can fix them, you guys.
Yeah.
Wait, first let me take that off.
Oh my God. I'm surprised.
Okay, you've been trying to guys, I fixed them. Okay, the challenge is back on.
Don't fight.
Guys, I'm still watching Charm. I'm still watching Charm. Okay, guys.
Okay, we said this challenge over. You gonna get me?
Okay, guys.
You gonna get me? You know
Okay, guys, welcome back to. I mean, not welcome back, but guys, these have completely broke because we was fighting. But we was fighting. Okay, but anyway, just shut up. But anyways. Okay, guys. These completely broke. Like the thing right there broke because of Taylor. She was fighting me. She kept like yanking away.
Cause of me, love.
She kept yanking away from me like that. Cause I know she's scared. She was like, stop. Yeah. Yeah, so you know something.
Good. All you know how to do is use your feet. You missed.
I just slapped her, you guys.
No, you didn't.
Okay, but anyway, guys, that's the end of the video because these completely, the handcuffs completely broke and because of Taylor, she kept thinking away like that.
Girl, you never want to do this.
But anyways,
That's a lobby here. Girl, you know you like when I'm in your YouTube videos.
but anyways, thank you guys.
When a lobby here.
But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Shut up! And remember to subscribe, like, and comment. And yeah, guys, my wrist hurt. So yeah.